Hi ladies, this is Tanya. I serve with the Calvary Chapel San Juan Women's Ministry team, and I am bringing you a quick tutorial on decorating cupcakes today. I am so excited to be here with you. I miss you all so much and look forward to seeing you this summer at our conference. So here we go on cupcake decorating. So a great way to bring something special to an occasion is to bring bakery looking cupcakes, and they're really simple to make, and we will be having the recipe up on Instagram on Saturday with this video that will tell you how to make the cupcakes, how to make the icing, but I'm going to show you how to decorate them and do the final touches. So what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to get icing bags. You can get these at any grocery store carries them. Michael's carries them. You can order them online. These are just the Wilton ones. You're going to need icing tips. These look like this. Again, you can buy them at grocery stores. You can buy them Michael's, Amazon. I bought mine in a pack on Amazon that came with a whole bunch of them. It was really inexpensive, just a few dollars. So you take the bottom of your icing bag and you'll cut it off. Then you'll just slide your icing tip into the bag and pull it through the end, just like that. Then you will go to your icing, which I've made a strawberry icing today and a lemon cupcake, so I call them strawberry lemonade cupcakes. And you will take your icing and fill it into the bag. Just like this. And then you can just shift it to have it go down. You twist your top and you just squeeze it into the end. You squeeze it until you see it come up just to the tip. Then you get your cupcake, just like this, and you squeeze your icing onto your cupcake into just a little swirl, just to make it look like that. So I'm going to do these ones here. So you just squeeze and swirl, and then squeeze and swirl, and we'll do one more. So once you finish doing that, you can add a little decoration to the top. For these ones, I've decided to add strawberries. So I just add a little strawberry decoration to the top. And you can choose to add sprinkles. You can choose to add maybe some little, they have sprinkles that come in ball shapes. They have them that come in kind of like a little rectangle shape. They have sugar sprinkles. They all look really pretty. And you can put them into these paper wrappers. These are wrappers that I got off of Amazon that came in a pack with all 3 colors. They're like a pastry wrapper. You can also get cute wrappers like these. I got this one from TJ Maxx. It's like a little polka dot aqua one. You can just slide your cupcakes into it after you've made them. And then you can choose a cute way to display them. These ones I've decided to do, since they're strawberry lemonade and they feel kind of summery, I've put them into this crate. Or like these ones here, which I will finish off one, you can put them onto a cute pastry stand. So this is a different kind of icing tip. They have many different shapes. This is a star shape. You can see this one, and then this is just a plain circle shape. If you buy a variety pack, you'll get a little bit of everything. So again, you just swirl your icing, and then on these ones, I've chosen to add a sprinkle, a sugar sprinkle. So I just add my sprinkles on top, and then I just have displayed them on a cute tray. So if you want to go to an event and bring adorable cupcakes that look like they belong in a bakery, it's really simple to do so. So I hope that you have enjoyed this tutorial. I hope that you join us this summer. We look so forward to seeing you. Again, we miss you guys so much, and I hope you enjoy the recipes that'll be posted on Instagram. Have a great day.